Hello and good morning, everyone. My name is Yasser Golfroz, and today we will discuss session 4 of Leading and People Management. Uh, in this unit, we will explore the key concept and key skills required to lead and manage teams effectively. So you will gain a deeper understanding of how to motivate employees, foster a positive work environment, and drive team performance. This knowledge will help you develop strong leadership and management abilities, uh, essential for achieving both personal and organizational success. Can you see my screens? Can you hear my voice? Okay. So indicative. Please do let me know if there is any issues. Right, so indicative contents for today's session, use of targets, use of reward systems, managers use process, leaders use creativity, structured approach versus spon spontaneity, and sympathy versus empathy. Key terminology: employees motivations, employees motivation are referred to the process of encouraging and inspiring employees to perform their best to work and stay committed to the organization's goals. Then we will talk about targets. Targets are specific, clear, and measurable goals set for individuals or teams to help them align their efforts with the overall objectives of the organizations. Performance-based bonuses. Performance-based bonuses are financial rewards given to employees who meet or exceed their targets. Remunerations package. A remuneration package includes the salary and benefits provided to employees as compensation for their work. And finally, recognition program. Recognition programs are non-monetary rewards used to acknowledge employees' contribution and achievements. For example, an Employees of the Month reward award or public recognition during a team meeting can make employees feel valued and appreciated. Recognition program create a positive work environment where employees feel that their hard work is noticed and valued. Any question so far? Key motivational theories. Motivation is essential for encouraging employees to perform at their best and stay committed to their work. Various psychological theories explain how motivation works and what drives people to succeed. Understanding these theories helps employees create a work environment where employees feel valued, supported, and motivated to achieve their goals. So here, if you see, here are some of the most important motivational theories and their key, uh, purposes, proponents. So, theory Maslow hierarchy of needs. This theory suggests that human needs are organized in a five-level hierarchy. People are motivated to satisfy their basic needs such as food and safety before they can focus on higher level needs like social connections, self-esteem, and personal growth. So if basic needs are not met, people may suggest to find motivation for personal and professional development. Herzberg two factors theory. Herzberg's proposed that two sets of factors influence motivation: hygiene factors and motivators. Hygiene factors such as uh, salary, working conditions, and job security prevent dissatisfactions but don't necessarily increase motivations. Motivation like recognition, achievement, and growth opportunities enhance job satisfaction and increase motivation. McLean's theory of needs. This theory focuses on their main human needs that drive motivations, achievements, power, and affiliations. People with a high need for achievements are motivated by setting and meeting challenging goals. Those driven by power seek to influence others, while those motivated by affiliations value strong connections and teamwork. Verum expectancy theory. Uh, Verum theories states that motivations depends on the expectations that increased efforts will lead to better performance and that this performance will result in desired rewards. Employees are motivated when they believe that their hard work will be recognized and rewarded. Adam equity theories suggest that employees are uh, sorry. Right. Adams' equity theories suggest that employees are motivated when they feel they are being treated fairly compared to others. Locker's goal setting theory. Locker's goal setting theories uh, are goods. Lockers are goods that clear specific and challenging goals, increase motivations and performance, feedbacks and recognition for progress toward goals, further enhance motivations. Employees are more motivated when they understand their goals and how to achieve them. Then is self-determination theory. Uh, Deci and Drawing's theory focuses on increasing intrinsic and extrinsic motivations. Intrinsic motivations comes from personal satisfaction and interest, while extrinsic motivations comes from external rewards. The theory emphasizes three psychological needs: autonomy, control over work, competence, feelings capable, and relatedness, connections with others. Next is reinforcement theory. B.F. Skinner's theories states that the behavior is shaped by its consequences. Positive reinforcements encourage repeated behavior, while negative reinforcements, something unpleasant, can also strengthen behavior. Punishment, on the other hand, may discourage certain actions. Uh, Positive techniques used by employees. So implies are various strategies based on motivated theories to create a positive and productive work environment. When employees feel valued and suggested, they are more likely to perform well and remain committed to the organizations. Here, any questions so far? Okay, next is motivation techniques used by employers. Employees used various strategies based on motivational theories to create a positive and productive work environment. When employees feel valued and supported, they are more likely to perform well and remain committed to the organizations. So, if here are some common techniques used by employees to boost motivations: recognition and reward. Recognition and rewarding employees' efforts and achievements increases motivations and job satisfaction. Public recognition, bonuses, and reward make employees feel valued and appreciated, encouraging them to continue performing well. For example, an employee of the month program or performance-based bonuses can motivate employees to work harder and feel valued. Professional development, providing opportunities for learning and career advancement helps employees feel that their skills are growing and that they have a future within the organizations. Training programs, workshops, and tuition support encourage employees to enhance their capabilities and stay motivated. For example, a company is offering leadership training for high performance employees encourages long term commitment and motivation. Flexible work arrangement, allowing flexible work schedule, remote work, and alternative work hours helps employees balance their work and personal lives. Flexibility increases job satisfaction and reduce stress, leading to higher motivation and better performance. For example, allowing employees to work from home 2 days a week can improve their work-life balance and overall motivation. Goal setting. Setting specific and challenging goals helps employees focus their efforts and measure their programs. When employees have clear target and receive feedback, they are more likely to stay motivated and improve their performance. For example, a company setting quarterly sales targets and rewarding employees who exceed them encourage goal-oriented behavior. Employees' involvement, involving employees in decision making and seeking their input increase their sense of ownership and motivation. Employees feel more connected to their work when their ideas are valued and implemented. For example, a regular team meeting where employees can suggest improvement and give feedback promote a sense of teamwork and motivations. Health and well-being program supporting employees' physical and mental health increases motivation and job satisfactions. Wellness programs such as gym membership, mental health days, and counseling services helps employees feel supported and reduce stress. For example, providing free yoga classes and mental health support can help employees feel relaxed and focused at work. Work environment, a positive and comfortable work environment boosts employees' morale and motivations. Clean, well-designed office spaces, open communications, and supportive management create a productive atmosphere. For example, creating collaboration workspaces and providing comfortable seating and natural lighting can improve employees' well-being and motivations. Summary table for motivational tech theories and techniques. Maslow hierarchy of needs. Key points: people are motivated to satisfy basic needs like food and safety before higher needs like self-esteem. Uh, Hasberg's two-factor theories, hygiene factors prevent uh, dissatisfactions, motivators increase satisfactions. McClelland theory of needs, achievements, power, and affiliation drive motivations. Jerome expectancy theory, motivation is based on the belief that effort will lead to performance and reward. Adams' equity theory, motivation is influenced by fairness and comparison with others. Locke's goal setting theory, specific challenges, goals with feedback, improve motivations. Self determination theory, autonomy, competence, and relatedness influence motivation. Reinforcement theory, behavior is shaped by positive and negative consequences. So here's our rewards and techniques, recognition and rewards, recognizing and rewarding employees' achievement. For example, employees of the month program, bonuses, and public recognition. So next one is professional development, providing opportunities to skills development and career achievements. Training programs or workshops are key example of professional development program. Flexible work arrangement, allowing flexible schedule and remote work options, flexible hours, telecommunicating policies, and compressed work weeks are key examples. Goal setting, setting clear, specific, and challenging goals. Using OKRs, objectives, and key results to align goals with organizational objectives. Employee involvement, descriptions involving employees in decision-making processes. Example, suggestion boxes, feedback, surveys, strategic planning, and sessions. Health and wellness program promoting physical and mental well-being of employees. For example, gym memberships, wellness workshop, mental health days, on-site health services are key examples. Finally, work environment, creating a positive and supporting work environment. Examples, comfortable office spaces, collaborative culture, open communication channels. Conclusion for this part of today's session: understanding and applying motivational theories helps employees create strategies that keep employees motivated and productive. Techniques such as recognition and rewards, professional development, flexible work arrangements, goal setting, employee involvement, wellness program, and a supportive work environment all contribute to a motivated workforce. When employees feel valued, supported, and challenged, they are more likely to stay engaged and perform at their best, leading to overall organizational success. Any questions so far? Any question about this section of today's session? Any question? Okay, next is topic is explain key motivations theories. To understand when drive people to perform and engage in their work, it is essential to study key motivational theories. So these theories provide insights into how different factors influence motivation, helping employees create effective strategies to boost employees' performance and satisfaction. Some of the most important motivations theories includes Maslow hierarchy of needs, Hasberg's two factors theories, McLean theories of needs, Verum expectancy theory, and Porter and Lawler's expectancy theories. We also discussed, in our previous part. So each of these theories explains motivations from different perspectives, offering valuable guidance on how to enhance employee engagement and productivity. By understanding these theories, employees can develop structured approaches to keep employees motivated and committed to their work. Right. The core components and descriptions of the key motivation theories, Maslow hierarchy of needs. Maslow proposed that human needs are arranged in five-level hierarchy, starting with basic psychological needs like food and shelter, and progressing through safety, social relationships, self-esteem, and self-actualizations. People are motivated to satisfy these needs step by step, moving from lower to higher level once the previous needs are met. Hasberg's two-factor theory. Hasberg's identified two categories of factors that influence job satisfaction and dissatisfactions. Hygiene factors like salary, working conditions, and company policies prevent dissatisfactions, while motivations like achievements, recognition, and growth actively enhance job satisfaction. McClelland theory of needs. This theory proposed the motivation is driven by three core needs: the need for achievements, desire to accomplish goals, needs for power, desire to influence others, and need for affiliations, desire for close relationship. Verum expectancy theory. Verum suggested that motivation depends on three key factors: expectancy, belief that effort will lead to performance, instrumentally, belief that performance will lead to rewards, and values placed on the reward. Uh, then last one is Porter's and Lawler's expectancy theory. Uh, this theory extends Verum model by adding the importance of perceived fairness is reward motivation increased when employees believe that rewards are fair and aligned with their efforts and performance. So, this summary helps to highlight the key differences and applications of these theories in motivating employees. Any questions so far? Okay, so here our detailed explanation of each theory. Maslow hierarchy of needs. This theory explains that human motivations follows a structured hierarchy. People first focus on fulfilling basic needs like food and shelter before moving on the higher needs like security, relationships, self-esteem, and personal growth. For employers, this means providing a stable work environment, salary, safety before introducing career development, recognition, and personal development opportunities. If the basic needs are not satisfied, employees will struggle to focus on higher level goals. Hasberg's two-factor theories. Hasberg theories separates factor on into two groups: hygiene factors and motivations. Motivators, hygiene factors like salary, working conditions, and policies prevent dissatisfactions but don't increase motivations when improved. Motivators like achievements, recognition, and career growths are the true drivers of motivation and job satisfactions. Employers should focus on improving hygiene factors to prevent dissatisfactions and introducing motivators to increase job satisfactions and engagement. McClelland theory of needs. This theory argued that people are motivated by three key needs: needs for achievements, needs for power, and needs for affiliations. Employees should identify the dominant needs of each employee and tailor motivational strategies accordingly. For example, providing challenges projects for those driven by achievements and leadership role for those motivated by power can increase motivations. Verum's expectancy theories. Verum theories emphasize that motivations depends on three key beliefs: expectancy, instrumentally, and valence. So to apply this theory, employees needs to create clear links between efforts, performance, and rewards, ensuring that rewards are meaningful to employees. Any question so far? Porter's and Lawler's expectancy theory model by introducing the encourage of reward fairness. According to this theory, motivations increases when employees perceive that their efforts are fairly rewarded. The key elements are effort, performance, reward, perceived equity, satisfactions. So employers can apply this theory by ensuring that reward systems are transparent and fair. Regular feedback and performance reviews help maintain a sense of fairness and motivation. Summary table for this section. Maslow hierarchy needs focus on meeting basic needs first and then creating opportunities for personal and professional growth. Hasberg's two factor theories address hygiene factors to prevent dissatisfactions and introduce motivators to increase satisfactions. McClellan theory of needs tailors motivations strategies to individual needs, achievements, power, and affiliations. Verum expectancy theories ensures employees see clear link between efforts, performance, and rewards. Porter's and Lawler's theory makes sure rewards are perceived as fair and linked to performance. So, this summary provides helpful comparison of the different theories and their workplace applications, making it easier for employees to select and apply the right strategy for their team. Conclusion for this section, understanding these motivation theories allows employers to create strategies that driven employees engagement and performance. A motivated workforce is essential for business success, and applying these theories helps create a positive work environment where employees feel valued and motivated. Employers can design tailored motivational strategies based on individuals and team needs by combining insights from Maslow, Hasberg's, McClellan, Verum, and Porter's uh, and Lawler's strategies such as clear goal setting, fair rewards system recognition, professional development, and a positive work environment can significantly enhance employees' motivation, satisfactions, and overall performance. When employees feel valued and supported, they are more likely to remain engaged, productive, and loyal to the organization. Any questions so far? Right. Evaluate how employees are motivated at UK Versity Online. Uh, Motivating employees is essential for the success of any organization, and UK Versity Online recognize this by implementing various strategies to keep its employees motivated and productive. So employees motivations ensures that staff remains engaged, perform at their best, and contribute to the organization's goals. This evaluations explore the key methods used by UK Versity Online to motivate employers, including setting targets, using reward system, establishing a clear mission and vision, encouraging creativity, balancing structure and spontaneity, and demonstrating empathy. So, by applying these strategies effectively, UK Varsity Online fosters a positive and productive work environment. Use of reward system. Reward system plays a key role in motivating employees at UK Varsity Online. The organization offers a competitive remunerations package including effective salaries and benefit to attract and retain skilled employees. Additionally, performance-based bonuses are awarded to employees who meet or exceed their targets, providing a direct financial incentives to perform well. Non-monetary rewards such as Employee of the Month awards and public recognition are also used to acknowledge employee contribution. These reward system helps employees feel valued and appreciated, which increases their motivation and committed to the organization. Setting mission, vision, strategy, and objectives. Senior managers and the board of directors at Versity Online defines the organization's mission, vision, strategy, and objectives. Leaders then play a crucial role in inspiring employees to align with these goals. When employees understand the organization's mission and see how their work contributes to it, they are more likely to feel a sense of purpose and motivations. A clear and well committed mission and vision help employees stay focused on long term objectives and give them a sense of belongings and directions within the organizations. Managers use process, leaders use creativity. At UK Versity Online, managers and leaders use different approaches to motivate employees. Managers rely on structured process such as performance reviews, project management tools, and standard operating procedures to ensure consistency and efficiency. In contrast, leaders encourage creativity and innovations, allowing employees to explore new ideas and solve problems in unconventional ways. This balance between structure and creativity ensures that daily uh, operations run smoothly while fostering an environment where new ideas and solutions are welcomed and supported. This motivation employees to perform well and contribute creativity to the organization. Structure approach versus spontaneity. Managers at University Online typically follow a structured approach to decision making and problem solving, ensures that tasks are completed in a systematic and effective manners. On the other hand, leaders often take a more spontaneous approach, adopting quickly to change and seizing new opportunities as they arise. This combination of structures and flexibility allows the organization to maintain operational stability while being agile, encouraged to respond to challenge and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Employees benefit from a stable work environment while also having the freedom to think creativity and adapt to new situations. Here, sympathy versus empathy. UK Varsity Online recognized the importance of understanding and supporting employees on a personal level. Managers demonstrate sympathy by acknowledging employees' situations and providing support within the limits of companies' policies. Summary table. UK Varsity Online combines various motivation methods to create a well rounded approach to employees' engagement and performance. The organization sets clear performance targets to provide direction and sense of achievement. Reward systems, including financial incentives and public recognition, motivate employees to perform at their best. A clear mission and vision give employees a sense of purpose, while the balance between structured processes and creative freedom allows both efficiency and innovation. Finally, the use of both sympathy and empathy ensures that employees feel supported and understood. This combination of motivation strategies create a positive and productive work environment where employees are motivated to achieve both personal and organizational goals. Conclusion: UK Versity Online approach to employee motivation is comprehensive and well balanced. By setting clear objectives, rewarding performance, encourage creativity, and maintaining a supportive work environment, the organization ensures that employees remain motivated and engaged. This not only enhance individuals' performance but also strengthen overall organizational success. Employees are more likely to stay committed and motivated when they feel valued, supported, and aligned with the organizational goals. This will this well-rounded strategy contribute to positive work culture, increased job satisfaction, and improved performance across the organization. That's it for today. Here are some references, and you can, for your further study, you can visit your Moodle or learning management system. Also, if there is any questions, concerns, or issues, you can drop me an email at yasir@ukversity.co.uk or learnerwork@ukversity.co.uk. Thanks everyone for joining me this morning, and I'll see you next Saturday at 10 o'clock. So, see you next weekend. Bye for now.